Hey, my name is Enzo. I work in product here at Toggl Track, and I'm really excited to show you some of the improvements we have made to analytics in the past few months. So, analytics is a place where you go to create your own dashboards to visualize the time track data you want your way. So, let's start and go ahead and create a new dashboard. So, from the new dashboard page, I have two options now. I can either load a template, which gives me pre-made dashboards that I can select to either analyze what are the most paying clients, projects, and users, what are the clients that are if I want to bill a specific client, this is a really good view, project, and either a specific member in my team. But what I really want to show you is that now you can create your own charts directly from your dashboard. And actually, you have two options. You can either start with an existing chart, something that you have made previously, and you can also explore the templates that we have already created for you, the chart templates. So for example, I wanted to see project distribution by weekday, top earning clients, and worked hours per project. Let me add these three for now. And I'm going to call this just my Enzo's dashboard. Great. Let me save this. Now, let's say I wanted to add a chart that I created by myself, just a new one. Let me go ahead and click New Chart, and it takes me to our chart editor. We have added a new grouping called Billable, and this basically breaks down which of the hours have been billable and non-billable hours. So for example, let me create this from the data from last week, and this shows me in this new donut chart that we've made as well, how many of these hours were billable and unbillable. In your workspace, it would probably look different from this, but here it says that 99.93% of my hours were billable. So let me call this billable versus non-billable. All right, and when I save it and close it, it adds right back to my dashboard, so it's easy to follow on my dashboard creation. Let me actually go ahead and make this cart size half size. Let me also go ahead and edit this one to move to cart size, so I got one next to each other. And then I'm just gonna do it, and for this a big project here. All right, great. Well, let's move this up. Awesome. Now, I also want to show you some of the new columns that we have added so you can view even more data in your tables. So let me create a new chart again. Let's create a group project and task table. Let's get data from past months to date. Let's do this. So we've added some new columns. You can now select the project start and end dates. So you can see when the project is supposed to start and supposed to end. Also added a project fixed fee number here. The thing is there's no fixed fee for these projects. We've also added the progress column. Now, previously we had a project progress specifically, but now in this progress, it shows you both the progress of the project and underneath the project, the progress of the tasks. Just like this. We also added other valuable information. For example, you can see what are the non-billable duration. You can also see the billable percentage, which is, again, how many hours were billable out of the total hours. Now you can add a lot more information to your tables. Of course, this might be too polluted and not everything is useful for me, so let me just go ahead and remove these. But I do want to show you, actually, let's do billable percentage because that's important for me. So let me name this my project and task table. Great, let's add it back to our dashboard. Let me save these changes. All right, great. And now one last thing that we also did is the ability to generate a PDF export so I can share this with someone via PDF. So you can just go ahead and here, and it's generating my file, and it's gonna go now to my downloads page, and then you can share this with anyone you would like to. So that's it. That's all we've done in analytics in the past few months. We're really excited to show you what's coming up next, so stay tuned.